Ready for heartwarming animal family facts? Only animal lovers ace this one. First question, which animal dad gives birth to babies? Seahorse, penguin, or wolf? Seahorse! The male carries eggs in his pouch. Amazing! Which animal adopts babies from other species? Dolphin, elephant, or bear? Dolphin! They've been seen caring for whale calves. This melts hearts. Intrigued, which animal babies are bigger than their parents when born? Kangaroo, panda, or blue whale? Blue whale! Incredible fact! Babies are 23 feet long at birth. Family experts know this. Which animal grandmothers help raise babies? Lion, elephant, or monkey? Elephant! Sweet fact, grandmothers teach important survival skills. Final challenge, last family question. Which animal dads stay home while moms hunt? Lion, seahorse, or jackal? Jackal! Cute fact, dad babysits while mom brings food.